Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to mint NFTs on Polygon using OpenSea. First, open the OpenSea website and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're signed in, click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Link Wallet. Then click Link a Wallet and choose your wallet from the available options. Follow the prompts to connect it. After your wallet is connected, go to the Collections section from the left side menu and click Create New Collection. Upload a logo, enter a collection name, and add a short description. Next, pay close attention to the blockchain section. Select Polygon as your blockchain. This is an important step because it allows you to create NFTs on the Polygon network. Once everything looks good, confirm the details and create your collection. Now open your collection and click Add Item. Upload your digital file. OpenSea supports formats like PNG, GIF, MP4, and MP3, with a maximum file size of 100 MB. Enter a name and description for your NFT. If you want, you can also add extra details such as properties, levels, or unlockable content that only the buyer can see. Under Supply, choose how many copies of the NFT you want to create. When you're finished, click Create at the bottom of the page. You may be asked to sign a transaction with your wallet. When using Polygon, this step is free. Your NFT has now been minted and added to your collection on OpenSea. Thanks for watching.